Mathematics Challenge. What is the term for the set of numbers that includes 0 and all positive whole numbers? The answer is A. Integers. How do you call a polygon with 5 sides? The answer is A. Pentagon. What do you call the distance around a circle? The answer is B. Circumference. What term describes the bottom number of a fraction? The answer is D. Denominator. What is the term for the average of a set of numbers? The answer is C. Mean. Which term describes a number that can be divided by 2 without a remainder? The answer is D. Even. What is the term for the result of multiplying a number by itself? The answer is C. Square. What do you call a number with only 2 factors, 1 and itself? The answer is C. Prime. Which term describes the longest side of a right triangle? The answer is C. Hypotenuse. How do you describe an angle less than 90 degrees but more than 0 degrees? The answer is A. Acute. What is the term for the likelihood of an event occurring? The answer is A. Probability. What is the figure with no dimensions represented by a dot? The answer is A. Point. What is the result of adding 2 or more numbers? The answer is B. Sum. What do you call the part of a fraction above the line? The answer is A. Numerator. What do you call a pair of angles that add up to 90 degrees? The answer is C. Complementary. A proportion where one quantity increases while the other decreases. The answer is B. Inverse.